Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. CPU TPM2. 0. Secure boot, at least 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Once done, back up your system image or important files to an external drive or cloud so you can revert if needed. Next, download Microsoft's Health Check app to confirm eligibility and grab the official Windows 11 ISO, or use the Media Creation tool to make a bootable USB. Make sure to note your current Windows license details before proceeding. You now prepare the machine, reboot into BIOS/UEFI, and enable TPM and Secure Boot if Health Check failed. This resolves most compatibility blocks. Once done, create a bootable USB using the Media Creation tool or mount the ISO if you're upgrading in place. Make sure to choose whether you want an upgrade that keeps your files or a clean install that formats the drive. Pick clean only if you've verified backups. During setup, follow prompts, accept license terms, and select the correct target partition for installation. You finish by completing the OOB setup, signing in with your Microsoft account, and letting Windows Update fetch drivers. Make sure to install vendor drivers if any device acts up. Once done, restore files from your backup and reinstall apps, then verify Windows activation under Settings System. If something goes wrong, installation errors or boot failures, roll back using your system image or use the recovery USB to repair or retry. This one troubleshooting step solves most failed upgrade scenarios quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.